Hey, this is Tammy Lynn Hancock, and I'm the little engine that could. And you can be the little engine that could too, if you just don't give up. My job here on the net is to help you, the online business owner, affiliate business owner, network marketing business owner, brand new network marketing business owner, to help grow and explode your business by learning attraction marketing. So today I wanted to share with you something about myself that you probably didn't know. Hey April, how are you? I wanted to give a little confession today. Hey Kristen, my confession is I really battle with fear. I am a scaredy cat. Can any of you relate with fear, with the battle of fear, where how fear can just overwhelm you and grip you like a vice around your neck and paralyze you? Is anybody on right now who struggles with fear, whoever struggled with that feeling of, I just can't move, I'm paralyzed? If you are, give me some thumbs up so I know that you're out there with me. Fear is a big struggle. And fear was something that thanks Lindsay. Fear was something that absolutely, totally paralyzed me from believing in my ability to succeed in network marketing. Now, most of you would think that I'm an extrovert. I really am not. I know, surprise, surprise, right? I am really an introvert that has learned to reach out and to go out of her comfort zone. But really, my favorite thing in the world is just to stay home and never get out of my jammies and just be a homebody and all that kind of stuff. So, for me, getting over that fear was a really big battle, and it's something I still do struggle with. And the reason why I decided I'd share it with you today is because I'm sure that I'm not the only one of you out there that struggles with fear in your business. And as I started to learn about it and talk about it and really dive into why fear was controlling me, I realized a couple things about myself. And so in sharing this, my story, maybe I can help you overcome some fears you might be having in your business. So thanks for those thumbs up. It's nice to know that you're with me. What I found out about fear is an excuse that my ego, uses. It's a lie. It's an excuse and a lie that I use to keep me from being successful in my business. Really think about that. That's such a profound thought. Fear is a lie that I tell myself to keep me from being successful in my business. Now, I could take that on another step. Fear is a lie that I tell myself to keep me from being successful in relationships. Fear is a lie that I tell myself that keeps me from being successful in my weight loss. You could take that statement and apply it to so many different things in our life, but fear is, as far as growing our business, growing our network marketing business, is something that can paralyze us to the point where, because we're so fearful and we ourselves put ourselves in that state of fear, we mess ourselves up. We play with our brain, and that's what I was doing. I messed myself up by letting fear get in my way. What I had to learn was that I had to stand up to fear. And fear is something that you and me, that we have to stand up to and look it straight in the face and say, listen, I am better than you. I'm not going to give you that power over me anymore. Sometimes fear comes from things that happened earlier in our lives. For instance, if you had a non-successful marriage relationships, fear of failure in a marriage relationship might keep you from getting in another relationship. It might make you very standoffish to bearing your soul and putting down your walls. Fear from failing in a prior business venture or trying something before and not being successful is what keeps us from growing in our network marketing business, in our online businesses, in our affiliate businesses, because that memory of fear paralyzes us. And then that memory becomes a lie that our brains tell us telling us that this time we're still not going to be a success. Thanks, Lindsay. You know, that's so true. We all battle with it, but see, this is something we don't always talk about. So what I had to do, and what I'm encouraging you to do, is just face your fear in the face. Just face it, point at it, and don't allow fear to control you anymore. It's something that you can conquer. The second thing is look at the people who you are modeling yourself out after in your business, and look at those people. In order to change our mindset, we have to get rid of those old tapes, those lies that we tell ourselves, those fears. You're never going to be successful. You can't do this. You won't be able to do a Facebook Live. There's no way that you can make $100,000 a year in network marketing. There's no way that you can learn this technology. You kidding? You can never learn Instagram. Those are the lies we tell ourselves. Well, if we replace those lies with truths, I can learn Instagram. I can get help, and I can successfully learn how to navigate around on the computer. I can use Facebook, and I can apply attraction marketing. And you know what? I can make 5,000 plus friends, and I can help them grow their businesses. Those are the truths you need to start telling yourselves, and replace the lies, those lies that we tell ourselves, those fears, with truth. The other thing is, when I just talked about a second ago about finding someone in your niche or someone that you admire who is accomplishing things, and pattern yourself after them. Go follow them, talk to them, find out what they have done to help overcome their fears, because you know what? They've had fears too. Now I'm going to look at one of these comments. Lindsay's just sharing something, about what she was doing to just overcome fear just a few minutes ago. I can't see all your note here, Lindsay. Oh, here. Yes, Lindsay's got a good point here. She's talking about fear in comparing ourselves with others. We do that. That's also an excuse. We try to be someone else. When we apply attraction marketing to our businesses, we are just being ourselves. So don't compare yourself with me. Don't compare yourself, hey Paul, hey Ruth, with Ray Higdon or Diane Hockman, or your upline, or somebody who's making millions of dollars in network marketing. Don't compare yourself. Thanks, April, for sharing that. Because I will tell you that I know a woman in network marketing who is a queen in network marketing, and she will honestly tell you that she struggles with fear every day, and this woman is smacking it in the network marketing business. And the reason why is because she, like me, looked fear in the face and said, I'm not going to let you control me anymore. You can't have me anymore. I surrounded myself with positive people. I began replacing those negative tapes in my brain. And I know I say this a lot, but I go back to that Bible verse that says, whatsoever things are good and right and true, think on these things. I think on the things that are good and right and true, the successes that I can do. You see, you don't have to be great in order to start something. You don't have to be great to start your business. But in order to be great, you have to start. Think about that. You don't have to be great to start your business, but in order to be great in your business, you've got to start. And you can't start if you're letting fear control you. So the first thing on today is to acknowledge that you have fear, and acknowledge that, hey, you're normal. You and me have it. Me and about 500,000 other people, and you. So, hey, give me a high five. We're normal. The second thing is to address that fear and don't let it have that power over you anymore. The third thing is find somebody you admire and follow them and talk to them and pattern yourself after them. Let them be your muse. Let them be that encouragement that helps you get going. Fourth thing, surround yourself with a group of positive people who can help build up and support you. Now for me, my team is the Dream Team. And if you want to know about the Dream Team, just drop the words Dream Team below and I will share that with you. For me, my Dream Team, which are network marketers from all over the world, help support me. I can talk to them 24 hours a day. Somebody's awake all over the world, and they're there to help me and encourage me in a moment's notice. So surround yourself with positive people. And the last thing I want to tell you is to remember that fear is a lie. Fear is a lie that our ego tells ourselves. So don't give fear the power to control you. You're stronger, you're bigger, you can beat that fear. And so replace those bad tapes with good tapes, those things that are good and right and true. And so if you're struggling with fear and you need some help and encouragement, write the word fear below. And if you need to talk to me, or if you need some encouragement on some things that I use for mindset, I have a great website that is really super encouraging to me. It helps me with mindset. And it helps put me in the right frame of mind to continue to conquer and push back fear. So if you have some struggles with that, drop the word fear before Lindsay. I see you. I'll drop you some information on that website that I use for mindset. And just to let you know, keep, I didn't tell anybody about this yet, but in a few weeks, beginning of November-ish, I'm going to be having a super duper offer about something to do with mindset training. So stay tuned for that. You will want to hear about that. So anyway, take your fear, look it in the face today, and tell them that you're better. And I'm going to tell you that you're better than that fear, because I know a lot of you that are watching me right now, and I see how successful and how far many of you have come. So I just want to tell you that I'm the little engine that could. And if I could conquer my fear, and if I daily can conquer my fear, and if I'm brave enough to come on amongst all you, lots and lots of peoples out there, and tell you that I struggle with fear, then you can too. It's not a scarlet letter to have fear, but it's a point of growth when we can acknowledge our fear, when we can look it in the face, and we can replace those fear tapes with truth tapes. The truth is that you can do this business. I'm the little engine that could, and you can be the little engine that could too if you don't give up, if you don't give in to fear, if you look fear in the face and tell it, you ain't no boss anymore. Okay, guys, God bless you. Have a great day. And if you'd like to talk to me more, just put Tammy Lynn, I need your help below, and I will get back in touch with you and we can chat. God bless you. Bye.